Hello guys, back with me again, vorhesz, and today I'm gonna show you how to train your scooter balance, and now using the scooter throttle or the gas, or the one who can speed up your scooter. So first you need to turn on your scooter. It's simple. Usually it's just hold your brakes leverage. Either one is good, and turn the scooter with the electric starter. Then you can go slowly first. You can go slowly and you brake. Okay, this is the stop and go training. You can go short distance, it's okay. Then you go again, then you stop. By the time the scooter is going forward, you maintain the handlebar and the position when you sit on the scooter. Okay, going again and stop. So you twist the throttle or so you turn the throttle slowly, so you can hear the sound engine is slow but sure. It moves forward. There you go. Then you stop. Then you go and you stop. And whenever your scooter direction is not going to whatever you want, or it's kind of going to fall, then you can brake. That's the first skill you need to master, is braking. Go again and stop. It's just a couple of meters, couple of yards. Then you can go again and stop. And by the time you are good to go, then you can go further. There you go. And on the edge of the road, I'm going to turn around. Okay, let's do it again. Go. Then you can put your legs down, and when you confident enough, then you can put your legs on the footrest, and you can maintain your speed with your brake. Yeah, you can combine all your skills. Now your balance is good and you maintain your speed. You turn the throttle upwards and use your brakes to maintain the speeds. Okay, again. So to start, you need to put your legs, both your legs is down, it's okay, and you twist the throttle like this and put your legs on the footrest like this, and you can go like this slowly, just slowly. And whenever you out of balance, then you brakes and you put your legs down again, and yeah, restart. You off balance, then you stop and you go again. and you stop and you go again. Put your legs, and that's how you balance on a scooter. Okay, that's all. This practice will help you control the throttle and your balance and your braking skills on the same time. So this is the 3 basic skills that you need to master before you can go further on a scooter. This is the safety skills you need to master. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you can take the lesson very carefully, and yeah, see you in the next video, and bye bye.